Welcome to Pocket Woman, Lockpicking and Locksport. Today I am going to do an unboxing. Got a package here. I ordered from the Locksmith's Toolbox. This is not a sponsored ad or video. I ordered this after Doubts Live. And it is, so it took just over 2 weeks to get here. Oh, look at this. It's the Lishi, it's the LW5 LISHI. How do you get in? Okay, we're in. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's a lot smaller than it looks on the telly. But everything is. And there's our picking tip. Look at that. So the reason why I got this was so that I can pick all the vintage locks I have, decode them and make keys for them. So this sits the LW5 keyway. This is a 570 cylinder. Wow. Wow, it's great to be able to have this and this. Know what pin you're on. I've got a lot of 201 rim cylinders as well. So I need to pick open and decode. So I'm going to be practicing a lot with this. Oh, clicks are, you can feel the feedback in the lock when you're holding the lock. So I reckon I've overset already. This is so cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with this. I've wanted one ever since I knew they existed. But you know, there's lots of things we can't get here. But now the Locksmith's Toolbox has got them. So that's where I can get it from. Wow, feedback's quite subtle, quite good. Oh, this is very exciting. Don't know that I'll get one open straight away, but this is a lock that I've had on my wish list for ages, sitting up on my bench. Never been able to single pin pick it. Wow, okay, so this is going to be a lot of fun. delicate tip. Make sure that you haven't got it up like that when you try and pull it out. Make sure you've got it level. Wow. This is awesome. Thank you, Locksmith Toolbox, for getting these in. Thanks, Doubt, for letting us know about it. I'll leave a link to those two in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay eagle. Temptation is everywhere, and the Lishi Pick has arrived.